Meteora, a name that means suspended in the air. These are one of the largest towering rock formations above the towns of Kalabaka and Kostraki in central Greece. Millions of years ago, these laid beneath ancient seas and today is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with 6 active Orthodox monasteries, home of approximately 60 to 70 monks and nuns. From as early as the 11th century, hermit monks began to settle here, drawn by solitude and silence. At its peak, Meteora had 24 monasteries. Today, only 6 are active and open to visitors. They all require some level of climbing stairs, and visitors are required to wear modest clothing when visiting. Each monastery charges a small entrance fee, usually about €5. The Great Meteoron, the largest and oldest monastery. Founded in the 14th century, it sits at about 613 meters above sea level, making it the highest rock platform. It houses museums, manuscripts, and courtyards. Varlaam Monastery, the second largest monastery. Famous for its historic rope and pulley system once used to lift supplies. Holy Trinity Monastery. Built on a narrow and isolated pillar. Access requires climbing a long staircase carved into the rock. Roussanou Monastery. A smaller monastery built across a lower rock formation. It is now a nunnery, housing a female monastic community. St. Stephen's Monastery. The most accessible monastery reached by a bridge rather than steep steps. It is also a nunnery and one of the most active communities today. St. Nicholas Anaposes. The smallest monastery built on a very limited rock surface. For nearly 1,000 years, these monasteries have been a place of refuge, faith, and human perseverance. With heights up to 550 meters, as if suspended between earth and sky, Meteora remains one of the most remarkable landscapes on Earth.